Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now it's Christmas time and one of the important thing for Christmas is stars. Today we will see how to make a simple star using thermocol and LED lights. For this you need thermocol sheets. One should be of thickness 1 inch and another should be of thickness 1/4 inch. This thermocol sheets can be purchased from any of the stationery shops. Then you need 1 or 2 LED strings which you might be already have at your home, or you can purchase it at any of the local stores. Then a small bottle of Fevicol, you can use it. Now let's see how to make the star. First we will take the 1 inch thickness thermocol. And you need to draw a picture of star on that thermocol. I am not good at drawing, so what I did is I just searched how to draw a star in YouTube, and I just followed the instruction and drawn this picture. I just drawn the outlines as well for the star, which can be used for cutting the edges of the stars from this thermocol. So we'll get the star shape. You can use a normal cutting tool or a blade for cutting the edges. Let's cut the edges now. This is the star after cutting the edges, and you can use a tool like this cutting tool, which is safer for cutting the edges. Now you need to insert this LED bulbs to the thermocol. For that you need to put some holes on the thermocol. You can use something like a nail like this, which is of same size of the LED bulb, for putting that holes. This LED bulb length is 1 inch, which is same as size of this thermocol. That means once you put the hole here and once you insert the LED bulb, it will go, we can see it in the other end like this. I have put these holes, and now like this you can insert the LED bulbs to that, and this length can be 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and you can insert the LED bulbs like this one by one. So you have to put the holes through the edges first, then in the center also you can put some holes and insert the LED bulbs. So let's start that. Right now I have just put 2. Again the same process will be continuing with this nail. I have completed inserting the LED bulbs now, and it will look like this. I have used 2 LED strips and I have completely inserted all the LED bulbs like this. You can randomly insert the LED bulbs like this on the star. As there will be 2 LED strips, there will be 2 plugs which will come, which we need to connect. So what I did is that I just cut the end and I just made just one. So we can see it here, like for both the LED strips I just cut at the edge the plug and connected it to a single pin for the convenience. The back side of the star look like this once we have inserted on all the LED bulbs. So in later point of time we will arrange it. At this stage I'll just show you how the star will lit up once you connect to the power. Now you need to put the Fevicol through the edges of the star and in between using some old pen or something like that. So you can put the Fevicol wherever the bulbs are not there. I hope you can see how I have put the Fevicol. I just put through the edges first, then randomly at the center and other parts wherever bulbs are not there. Now we have to take the other thin thermocol sheet and just place the star above that thin thermocol sheet like this. So the glue will be in between the star and the thermocol sheet now. Once the glue is set, you have to cut through the edges again for this thermocol sheet also. After cutting the edges, our star will look like this. Using insulation tape, you can just arrange these wires to the center of the star. So once you just arranged the wires with the insulation tape, it will look like this. For covering the back side, you can use simple A4 size paper. Just like this, you can just put it from here to here and make a mark here, cut it here, and both the sides, this side and this side, you can put some Fevicol and you can just cover it like this. After covering the back side, it will look like this. Now we will connect the power. Connect the star and see how it will light up. So with these two controllers, you can change the pattern as well. So this is how the light or the star will look like once it is finished. I think everyone likes this star. For hanging the star, you can put a hole there, and using a plastic tie, you can make it as a hook like this. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my videos. Please like and subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you.